Ever seen a giant seashell unicorn? No, until now. Hey, I'm Carly. I'm here with Refinery29. Also here with my crew. Say hi, crew.
Hey.
We are in Austin, Texas. We are headed to the Bloomhouse to stay the night. This is Weekend House, a show where we check out some of the most interesting and unique vacation rentals from around the country, because we could all use a little getaway. We're about 5 minutes away. I am so excited because I've had this home on my bucket list for so long, and I desperately needed to get out of cold, depressing, snowy New York. There's no sunshine yet, but I am hopeful, and I am just so excited to be here. Right, we're here. Oops. We are heading down the path. I can see the house, and it looks gorgeous. So let's go. We have made it. I can confirm this looks like a very big seashell. This place is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom for $500 a night. Very curious to see what it looks like on the inside, so let's check it out. Oh my God, this is like a work of art. Smells like fresh lemon bars. I love it. This is the living room. This is so cute. Like, very excited to hang out in this room. You know when you like see couches, then it's like, this would be a good napping couch. Cute guitar, some drums. Very nice furniture. Pretty little patio. Got a nice fireplace. This kitchen, oh my God. They have these cool lights. Some chips, hot sauce. This is my kind of place. Like every detail in this home is unreal. Oh my gosh, like a little postcard. Definitely gonna send one of those out. Okay, let's keep going. All right, we got the bed. Okay, let's see how it is. Ooh, you just kind of sink into it like butter. This'll do. A very unique walk-in closet. Every detail in this home, they put so much love into it. The bathroom. Look at this shower / tub situation. I don't really know what I expected with this home, but I did not think that there would be multiple levels. So let's go explore. This must be the nap nook. I would definitely come up here, listen to some music, read a book, escape. Should we go outside? This is wild. I cannot wait to get a pic for the gram. It's gonna be fire. Just like looking on to my kingdom. I've waited so long to see this home in person. Exceeding my expectations. The windows kind of remind me of like being in a submarine. I'm gonna go check out the deck now. Unlock this door. Like immediately met with this delicious like pine cone smell. Oh, I feel so relaxed here. I feel so just like calm and at ease being here. I feel like that's just how I feel every time I come to Austin. I just love it here so much. There's so much you can do here. You have downtown, you have the city life. You also have gorgeous nature spots like this. There's so much you can do, so much you can eat. Like as a Texan, a born and raised Texan, Austin is it. This is the place. My bachelorette moment where they look off into the distance. Am I gonna choose Brandon or Matt? I am really hungry, so I am gonna go pick up some food from one of my favorite places around the area. Gonna change into something a little bit comfier. I'll be right back. Much better. That stuffed avocado is calling my name, so let's go. I got the food. I'm so hungry. Time to eat some chips and salsa and queso. Later tonight, I'm hoping that I can maybe look at the stars for a bit and chill up in that like nap nook. But now I need to chow down on all this food. I came to Austin for this, the silence. Just not having to hear like cars honking and people yelling. Like this is just so nice. And I kind of feel like it's like a nice like mental reset. All right, time to get my PJs on and get ready for bed. I definitely think it's important to take little breaks if you can. Get out of the city, go visit like another town, another state. Just have a like different change of scenery. I feel like we get so wrapped up in like our routines and everything, and it's just really nice to get outside of that, even if it's just for a night, to just relax, reset, just be out of your apartment. Good morning. I unfortunately did not sleep very well last night. I think I got maybe 3 hours, but the bed was very comfy, and it was really nice to wake up to birds chirping outside and just like a very peaceful backdrop. So that was really nice. Got myself a latte, a nice bagel, and it's gonna be feeling good real soon. Just had my bagel, some coffee, and now it is time to get my body moving and go on a hike. Walking around the neighborhood, y'all, the humidity here is no joke. Does not matter that it's February or that there's a snowstorm coming. Okay, I just got back from my hike. It was kind of a mini hike because it's about to rain, but it was still so nice. And that's honestly what I love about Austin. You get the city life, the downtown life, whatever, but you also get beautiful nature opportunities like this. And that's kind of the inspiration behind this home. It was 2 UT architecture students that wanted an escape, something out in nature, feeling like very peaceful, serene. For a while, it didn't even have an address, like it was that remote. I'd say my highs for the trip, seeing this house in person after having it saved in my phone for years. Also just getting to feel the sun, even though it was only for like a few hours, it was everything I needed. As far as the house goes, I'd say my only low was just hitting my head a few times, getting used to not having your typical corners and things like that. I definitely bumped my head a lot. I definitely accomplished all my goals that I had for coming here. I wanted to reset, have a change of scenery, and it was just so nice, and I really do feel just a little bit more grounded. Oh, and I got my Tex-Mex. I got my Tex-Mex. It was so good.